small dried up creek. It's been dry here. And then some cover over there. Thick cover. Weapon of choice. Bear Creek calls Arsenal 350 Legend. So the neighbors are out riding around on their gas-powered golf cart. You have to turn your shoulders. Well, unfortunately, this night ended up empty-handed. I think he got a decent shot on the deer. We saw where he went, but private property owners, not so friendly. No getting that deer. Guess we still got a license and another opportunity to shoot a deer, so on we go. This is BowDad. I'm out.